Do we have any Jamaicans in the park right now? Yeah, me see a couple flags. Big up to all the Caribbean islands, but big up Welika Island, Jamaica, the home of reggae music. All the Jamaican flags, everybody representing, I like it. But you know what them say, right? Jamaica is a little bit divided. You have town people and then you have country people. All who come from country, let me see on them right now. Okay. Big up every parish. But let me see the Kingston people them right now. Me I talk about real Kingston. You see this next artist? He comes all the way from Waterhouse in our Kingston. So put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Troop Lion, country artist, Troop Lion.
Caribbean people, when the barrel cracks and the smoke smell, we Caribbean people, Troop Lion representing, most high we pray for them. Hey, 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 believe the sometime. In this time, you know, it's ain't no reason why getting around. Or two player representing the fullness of Prince New York. When the barrel cracks and the smoke smell, Mama sing the prayer for me. She puts her arms around me, set this place on, set us free. Early morning, black Mara coming. I try to take my brothers on a joyride, but if they're taking us on to Mount Santa, don't you know we got the Caribbean people taking the freeway, so freeway, right away, so freeway. All my brothers and sisters, they will see me, shining up the kids taking the freeway, freeway, the freeway, around the world, the freeway. All my brothers and sisters, they really see me, shining on the big side. See the smoke rise above our surface, while the mountain comes to see. Building blocks, it's burning. The new someone crying, thunder roll and light shine. See the sun come to the plantation. I'm taking the freeway, the freeway, around the way, the freeway. All my brothers and sisters. How you feeling? Go ahead. I'm not gonna tell you this, man. I'm a born Jamaican, you know. I'm a Caribbean youth. I know you're world youth. You know? All Caribbean people! Yes, man. Our celebration this. I want to tell you something. I got this album called Ideologist. And I just stay here today to spend a few minutes with you. Alright? We could sing a song off for Ideologist and I could see how good them know music. Come on! This one is from a very long time. You know when you set you play on a straight fire, don't you? And we don't play with the music. We use this music to educate our simple people. Yeah. Someone told me long ago there's a storm before that come, and I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say it will rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Come on in. Do you know the song? We are Jamaican and we know about show business. When you say yeah, you make me say yeah. Say yeah! Yeah! Someone told me long ago there's a storm before the calm, and I know it's been coming for some time. I know when it's over, so they say long, it will rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. New York, I love you. I wanna know, have you ever love you? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Love you.
New York City, give it up for True Lion.